Charlie was a hard-working dog, always saving his money, dreaming of a better life. Day in and day out, he toiled tirelessly, putting away every penny, hopeful for what the future might bring. Despite his busy life, Charlie was a happy soul. Every evening, he'd head to the bar, hanging out with his best friend, Jim. It was their special time, laughing, sharing stories, and letting loose after a long day. One night at the bar, Charlie's life changed forever. That's when he met Bella. She was charming, elegant, and had a spark in her eyes that drew Charlie in instantly. From that moment, Charlie and Bella began spending all their time together. Their love blossomed, and soon they decided to take the next big step, getting married and starting their lives as a family. Their happiness grew even more when Bella became pregnant. Soon, they welcomed a baby into the world, a sweet pup named Sammy. Charlie and Bella adored their little family and cherished every moment spent playing and laughing with their baby. But life took a dark turn. One day, Charlie and Bella got into a heated argument. Tempers flared, and Bella, angry and frustrated, walked away, leaving Charlie heartbroken. His sadness consumed him, and he found himself crying all the time, unable to find solace. Things only worsened when Bella decided to file for divorce. Their love story ended in heartbreak as they went their separate ways. After the divorce, Bella stayed in the house, while Charlie was told to leave, left with nowhere to go. Now homeless, Charlie wandered the streets with his suitcase, asking strangers for money, hoping for kindness to help him get by. Meanwhile, Bella lived comfortably in the house she kept after the divorce, her life moving on.